वो दिन की शुरुआत ही क्या जिसमें चाय ना हो, वो पॉडकास्ट ही क्या जहां चाय पे चर्चा ना हो।
This is Diet X by Dr. Swati Bathwal.
Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast show. You are listening to Swati Bathwal, your host for Diet X. आज के इस एपिसोड में हम चाय पे चर्चा करने वाले हैं। इस एपिसोड में आप ये सुनेंगे कि चाय कैसी पीनी चाहिए। पिछले एपिसोड में मैंने आपको अल्कोहल के बारे में बताया था, इस बार मैं आपको चाय के बारे में बताऊंगी। देखिए, सबसे पहले सुबह सुबह आँख खुलते ही तो चाय की सबसे पहले याद आती है। कई लोग बिना चाय पिए वॉशरूम भी नहीं जाते, चाहे वो सुबह की चाय हो या फिर मेहमान की चाय हो। इस पॉड में चाय पे चर्चा तो ज़रूर होगी। इस एपिसोड में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कौन सी चाय बेटर है, वाइट टी या फिर मिल्क टी, मसाला टी या फिर ब्लैक टी, और चाय के साथ मट्ठी या अचार बेटर होता है या फिर समोसा। इन सब के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी। आखिर तक सुनिएगा, नहीं तो आपकी चाय की चर्चा अधूरी होगी। मैं आपको इस एपिसोड में ये भी बताऊंगी कि ऐसी कौन सी चाय पीनी चाहिए जिससे कि हमारे ब्रेन में वैसे वेव्स रिलीज होते हैं जो हमें रिलैक्स करती हैं। तो फिर चलिए मेरे साथ इस एपिसोड में एक कप चाय हो जाए। देखिए, हमारे देश में हर घर में या फिर हर मोहल्ले में पानी के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा चाय पी जाती है। बड़े हो या बच्चे, सभी चाय के शौकीन हैं। बारिश का मौसम हो या फिर सर्दी, चाय है ज़रूरी। While some people drink 1 cup a day, some people drink 4 to 5 cups a day. As food is an expression of love, so is an expression of love through tea. So first, let us look at different types of tea. A herbal tea is a tea which is prepared by adding hot water over any plant in the world other than tea plant for their health benefits. Like hibiscus tea, जिसको हम गुड़हल का फूल कहते हैं, is prepared by pouring hot water over hibiscus flower. Chamomile tea is for chamomile leaves, or moringa tea is for moringa leaves, and so on and on. So the phytonutrients or the nutrients of these leaves, they give us immense health benefits. For example, hibiscus tea lowers blood pressure, chamomile tea reduces stress, moringa tea controls blood sugar, and so on. So what is the difference between white, green and black teas, or even milk or masala teas? Both white and green tea are less processed as compared to black tea. White tea is made from young leaves and has silvery white hair on the immature buds. Green is made from immature leaves. Now, whether white is better or green tea is better, this depends on whether or not you add lemon to your teas. If you add lemon to white tea, then white tea is better than green tea. Otherwise, prefer green tea over white tea. Now, this sounds weird, right? आप पूछेंगे कि चाय में नींबू कौन डालता है? As weird as it sounds, if you add lemon slices to your white tea, the phytonutrients in white tea are released because it requires a certain pH level for nutrients to get released. So if you look at cancer prevention, both green and white teas are beneficial. Though white tea is better in preventing cancer as compared to green tea, if you steep longer than 1 minute, you will not see any difference whether it is green tea or white tea. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So steeping up to 1 minute is okay for both white tea and green tea leaves. So with tea leaves, चाहे वो black हो, चाहे वो white हो या green हो, the phytonutrients of tea plants are so powerful that they can reverse disease even when applied to the skin. Sounds good, right? पर मुझे पता है कि आप क्या सोच रहे हैं। आप अभी भी अपने मसाला चाय के बारे में सोच रहे हैं ना? भाई, दूध वाली चाय के बारे में वो भी बताती हूँ। देखिए, when you drink tea without milk or without added sugar, there are numerous health benefits. Drink a cup of tea and within an hour of drinking, you can burn 10 calories more. Drink 4 cups of tea and within 24 hours before you go for half an hour walk, you burn 1 extra gram of fat. And if you consume tea 3 times in a day, you burn 80 more calories a day. And this doesn't even add calories. Teas have negative calories. On an average, each cup of tea we burn 25 calories. And listen, I'm not talking about milk tea here or masala chai here. I'm just talking about black tea, white tea or green tea. Just by drinking 3 to 6 cups of oolong or green tea, we can increase our metabolic rate and burn 100 calories extra a day. Wow, it's almost like equivalent to going like 15 minutes of walk for me. You know, Netherlands is the only country in the world where tea is consumed as black tea. So adding milk to the tea prevents the consumption of health benefits from tea. So milk tea is helpful for health, and masala teas are like just, basically adding masalas to the tea leaves at the time of processing so that the tea tastes good. A lot of nutrients are removed during processing. So adding masalas only help for the taste buds, but they do not have health benefits unless you want to add fresh masalas like cinnamon, ginger, etc. at the time of preparation of your tea. Only then you may avail the health benefits. You know why we say that? It's because the protein in animal milk, for example, which is called as casein, it reduces the metabolic benefits and calorie burning effects of the food. Casein wraps the compound called catechins and blocks the functions of tea and does not show any health benefits from tea. Sorry people, if you are drinking masala chai or if you're drinking any milk-based chai, adding milk to your tea is not the best thing you can do to improve your health. It's the same if you prepare it in soya milk, but almond milk, rice milk, oats and coconut milk, they have very less amount of casein. So maybe binding will not be an issue, but honestly guys, don't quote me on that. The research is still going on whether if you add rice milk or oats milk to your tea, is this going to be better? But adding soya milk and cow's milk, it does not make your tea any better. पता है मुझे चाय पीना बहुत पसंद है, बट ओनली ग्रीन टी या वाइट टी, और इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी जब मैंने एक रिसर्च पढ़ा था. Now researchers found through this EEG that we have 2 mental states, 2 when we are awake and 2 when we are asleep. There are alpha, beta and delta waves. Now delta waves is pulsed slowly by our brain at about 1 per second when we are asleep. There are theta waves as well, which are released when we are dreaming, and alpha and beta when we are awake. Alpha waves are released when we are relaxed, attentive, like opened our eyes and meditating, and beta waves when we are in hustle and bustle state. Now, alpha is a pleasant wave when we are relaxed or when we are happy, just like when we are meditating. Alpha is the state where we all want to be. And Buddhist monks can attain this state even when their eyes are open. So basically what you can do is either you meditate for few years just like Buddhist monks to actually attain that state, or what you can do is you can simply drink some tea. Within minutes of tea consumption, anyone can attain this relaxed state, the same wave pattern as monks. This is why tea is one of the most popular drinks, and that is why Chai Pe Charcha is required. तो फिर बस मैंने भी शुरू कर दिया चाय पीना. पर मेरी चाय थोड़ी कलरफुल होती है, या फिर ग्रीन या मैचा टी या वाइट या फिर ब्लैक होती है, लेकिन मिल्क टी नहीं होती है ना. चाय कौन सी अच्छी है वो तो मैंने आपको बता दिया, पर चाय के साथ साथ हमें क्या क्या खाना चाहिए, समोसा या फिर मठरी अचार, ये भी तो जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देखिए, अगर हम सिर्फ जापानीज़ या चाइनीज़ या इनफैक्ट कुछ ट्रेडिशनल टी ड्रिंकर्स की बात करें, so for example in Japan, Japanese do not add sugar or milk to their tea, including their green tea also. For Japanese people, green tea is the drink of their choice in the morning. They also drink it in the afternoon breaks, or even they serve to their guests. Several times in the day, they keep refilling a small teapot with tea leaves, pour it in hot water and let it brew for a few minutes. In restaurants in Japan, tea is provided free of charge. And as soon as the diners are seated, free refills are given to the customers. Tea is actually an essential part of any Japanese meal. Now, what Japanese eat with this tea? They eat a confectionery which is called as wagashi. Now, this wagashi is made up of rice flour, some azuki bean paste, and some fruits. So now in China, most Chinese drink tea in loose leaves. Tea that's steeped in boiling water, either in a teapot or directly in a thermos or a glass. Drinking tea made from tea bags is uncommon in China. Oh, that reminds me, tea bags से मुझे कुछ याद आया. टी बैग